Good morning, children. It's the first unit, first B, first A it's completed. Now we are going to learn because first A we learnt about. I think you read the textbook and you follow everything. One funny story is there about the homeopathy doctor, a snake, and he ran to his friend's house. When he came, everything was clean because of one of the robber. So yeah, another thing, it's about the friendship. Friendship is a great thing in the world that a friend is need a friend indeed. Whenever a friend is there, we can solve all most of our problems. Comparing with the family members, most of the friends are some of the time helpful to us. Here, there is a friendship between two creatures. One is the animal, one is the bird. See, the name of the poem, it's a poem. Actually, the poem name is The Duck and the Kangaroo. Duck, we know, it lives in the pond. Pond is a word for the duck because it can't fly high into the sky. It can't travel more space in the world. It wants to live only in the pond itself. That was its word. But kangaroo, it can hop. It can hop one place to another place. Very fastly it can travel. But this duck and kangaroo, both are friends. Duck, it observed the kangaroo, how it is hopping and how it is jumping, how it's traveling in the world. The duck it felt that if I am the kangaroo, then I can hop and I can travel all the world. I can see more spaces in the world. But my bad luck, I am living in this pond itself. So it asked the help of kangaroo, right? But duck it has web feet, and by living in the pond, its web feet should be very means wet it is. Wet feet it make the kangaroo's back some of the infection means allergy it will get. Kangaroo said, okay, you have web feet, I'll get some infection, so it's impossible to carry you on my back. For that, duck it planned something and it means implemented its plan, and finally kangaroo helped the duck to take to all over the world. With the help of its friend kangaroo, the duck inside end of the kangaroo's tail and it traveled all over the world, and both of the friends felt happy. But here, one great thing is that duck is happy, no doubt in that, because duck's desire that it want to see all over the world. But with the duck, kangaroo also happy. The reason the reason behind that happiness of the kangaroo that kangaroo it means it make the desire of that duck satisfied. Actually, duck's desire to travel the world, that desire was satisfied by this kangaroo. So what it's feeling? Oh, the desire of my friend I satisfied. So I am very happy. That was the happiness of both. See here I will read. Said the duck to the kangaroo, good gracious, how you hope over the fields and the water too. Oh, you are very gracious, very good. It looks very good. We are hoping over the lands, over the water everywhere. So you are good creature. As if you never would stop, my life is a bore in this nasty pond. Nasty means dirty pond. I am always living in this dirty pond. I am not overcoming of this. And I have no opportunity to go out and to travel over the world. My life is buried in this nasty pond and I long to go out in the world beyond. I wish I could hope like you, said the duck to the kangaroo. I want to hope like you, but it's impossible to me. It's a boring life. Living in this pond, I got bored. I want to go out. That it expressed its desire with its friend. Please give me a ride on your back, said the duck to the kangaroo. It requested, dear friend, one of the ride you give to me. I want to travel on your back and I want to see the world. I would sit quite still and say nothing but quiet. By sitting on your back, I will say only one thing, that is quiet, my sound, but nothing I will do. The whole of the long day through, and we would go to the D and the Jelly Bee Lee. Jelly Bo Lee. Jelly Bo Lee is one of the place the poet used to express. It's a wonderful place like that he expressed that. So the total day we will travel and we will see D and the Jelly Bo Lee. These are the places we can see by traveling. Over the land and over the sea, please take me a ride or do. It's requesting, dear friend, please take me one of the ride. That ride should be over the water, over the land, over the grasses, everywhere you will hope. With you I also will hope. It's good to me. I will enjoy that ride. That duck, it said to the kangaroo. Said the duck to the kangaroo. Said the kangaroo to the duck, this requires some little reflection. Perhaps on the whole, it might bring me luck. Okay, I can take you to the ride. I am interested to take, but it should need some of the preparation. It's a luck to me. If I take you to the ride, it is a luck to me. And it's one of the opportunity to me, but it should need some of the preparation. And there seems but one objection, which is, if you will let me speak so bold. Okay, I can take, but one objection is there. If you allow me to speak boldly, means frankly, if I want to speak to you, then I can say that. Your feet are unpleasantly wet and cold. The reason that you have bare feet and that bare feet is wet and that are very cold because we will live in the water. Because of that, your bare feet it is cold and wet and would probably give me the rheumatiz, said the kangaroo. Rheumatiz is one of the disease which is infection. It will make some of the infection on my body because of your bare feet. And that bare feet, it is cold and it is wet because of that. Said the duck, as I sat on the rocks, I have thought over that completely. Yes, that is the problem. Then this duck, it thought about the problem. It sat on a rock and it thought. It said to the kangaroo that I got one of the idea for that. One solution is there for that problem. The solution, and I bought 4 pairs of worsted socks. Woolen socks I brought. Worsted socks means somehow warm socks. It is woolen socks. Woolen socks I bought 4 pairs. I bought that, which fit my bare feet neatly. That socks it fit for my bare feet. And to keep out the cold, I have bought a cloak. One coat also I bought. Cloak means here the coat. One coat also I bought. That it will make me to keep warm. All to follow my own day. And one more thing also. And every day a cigarette I will smoke. One cigarette also I will smoke to keep my body warm. That also I will do. All to follow my own day through. Love of a kangaroo. The love of towards you, I will do all these things myself. Because duck also likes very much that kangaroo. And it don't want to make any problem to kangaroo. Because of that, it planned this all the things. Said the kangaroo, I am ready. All in the moonlight pale. But to balance me, well, dear duck, sit steady. Okay, I am agree for that. I feel very happy to take you to ride. Sit on my tail, but be balanced. Sit steadily, perfectly. But to balance me well, dear duck, sit steady and quite at the end of my tail. So end of my tail, you say. away. They went with a hope and a bond. Between these both and means animal and the bird, there is a strong bond. That is a friendship bond it made. So they hope, and by jumping the kangaroo, it went all over the world. And who so happy who? Okay, according to you, who are the very happiest creature in this boat? According to me, kangaroo is the happiest. Okay, that it has a desire, and a desire is satisfied, it is happy. But the kangaroo is the real happiest one because it helped its friend. See? As the duck and the kangaroo, both in this both of them, which one the happiest one? Think. According to you, you think. Read the book and write the summary in your classwork. Stay home, stay safe.